Congratulations on purchasing your new Mill Creek ceiling fan from Hunter. We'll walk you through the steps to get yours installed, but first, you'll need a few things. If you are unfamiliar with wiring or uncomfortable doing it yourself, please contact a qualified electrician. This video is being provided to supplement what is included in your owner's manual. Please consult it in addition to watching this video. Now, if you feel comfortable moving forward, please do the following. First, disconnect the power by turning off the circuit breakers to the outlet box that's connected with the wall switch location. Install the ceiling bracket. There are two options to securing the bracket to the ceiling. Use the machine screws provided with your existing ceiling fan rated box. You can also use the washers and wood screws included with your fan to secure a bracket to a structure with an approved electrical box. You will need to drill 9/64" pilot holes in the support structure to secure the bracket and wood screws. Next, you will need to remove the pre-installed set screw in the downrod adapter. Don't lose this, as you will need it momentarily. Feed the wires from the housing through the downrod. Hand tighten the downrod at least 4 to 5 turns until it can't be tightened anymore. Replace the set screw in the downrod adapter and tighten it down with pliers. Do not hand tighten the set screw. The manual can be used to measure the proper length to cut and strip the wires. Cut the wires leaving at least 8 inches extending from the downrod. Strip the wires 3/8 inch or just under a centimeter. Put the wires and the downrod through the canopy and let it sit loosely on top of the fan. Do not pick up the fan by the canopy or the wires. Place the downrod ball into the slot in the ceiling bracket. Slide the remote receiver onto the top of the bracket. Connect the yellow wire from the receiver to the black wire from the fan. Tighten with a wire nut. Connect the blue wire from the receiver to the blue wire from the fan. Tighten with a wire nut. Connect the black ungrounded wire from the ceiling to the black wire from the receiver. Tighten with a wire nut. Connect the white grounded wire from the ceiling to both the white wire from the receiver and the white wire from the fan. Tighten with a wire nut. Connect the grounding wires from the ceiling, downrod, and hanging bracket. Tighten with a wire nut. Make sure each connection is secure and push the wire connections up into the outlet box. Lift the canopy into place so the screw holes from the canopy and the hanging bracket are aligned. Insert the 2 canopy screws found in the circle hardware bag. Secure each blade to a blade arm using the blade nuts found in the square hardware bag and the blade assembly screws found in the triangle hardware bag. Repeat for all 5 blades. Partially install 2 light kit assembly screws found in the hardware bag with 3 stripes. Feed the 9-pin plug connector from the bottom of the motor housing through the center hole in the light kit. Align the keyhole slots in the top of the light kit assembly with the partially installed screws, and twist counterclockwise. Insert a 3rd light kit assembly screw found in the bag with 3 stripes, and tighten all 3 screws. Line up the colored markings with the other 9-pin plug and connect them. Carefully push all switch housing components into the switch housing. Then install the switch housing plate using 2 light kit screws. Install the included bulbs. Partially install 3 cage assembly screws found in the bag with 3 stripes. Lift cage and align the keyhole slots with the partially installed screws and twist counterclockwise. Insert a 4th screw and tighten all 4 screws. Make sure to turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Your included remote control is already paired for use. For more instructions, refer to the remote guide included with your remote. Congratulations! You have just installed your brand new Mill Creek ceiling fan.